Hello, hello. It's March 15th and I'm getting out for a ride. Haven't been out in weeks, so yeah, the snowmobilers have been using the trails quite a bit. They've been grooming them and using the trails, and they've been good for that. Just kind of stayed off, and now we've had a lot of mild temperatures and rain, so the trails are pretty much unusable for snowmobiles, I would say. So I was getting out, I was meeting a buddy. I'm going down to meet a friend at the Bonnerlaw Junction there, and he's going on riding. I'm just gonna go down there and meet him, say hello, hang out for a second, and see what the trails are like, just to show everybody that rides these rail trails up around the Hastings area, um, central Hastings area, what the trails are like now. I know I've seen in Facebook groups a lot of people are wondering if they are able to use for ATVers or people with side-by-sides. Oh, look at that right across. Looks like somebody may have went over there. Just come up the trail, went straight across the trail and down in the ditch there. But yeah, I imagine some people are wondering if they're ready, so they're good to go. I mean, I highly doubt anybody with a snowmobile is going to come and try out these trails, uh, ride these trails now because, geez, it seems like everything's got to be so perfect for them. I wouldn't ride these trails if I had a snowmobile anyway, but right now, the gravel, the slush, there's no snow to keep your sliders cooled off, and so yeah, I wouldn't be using these now anyway. Trails aren't too bad along here, really. Still lots of snow and ice here, but I think it's just protected from the trees. The open areas are melted quicker, but you still wouldn't want to ride a snowmobile along these trails with all these rocky spots and muddy spots. Like, look at this. Crossing a road here with a snowmobile just wouldn't make any sense. I don't know who this is, but just a couple guys that came up from the Glen Ross area. I stopped and talked to them for a bit. I'm just going to sit here and wait for Doug to show up.
Only because it's fucking slick.
He's coming from.
Here he comes
it's
now.
Just south of
I was only
Campbellford.
sitting there maybe 7 minutes and he showed up.
So he came up that.
Yeah.
Gentlemen,
How are ya?
greetings.
So we just sat there for a couple minutes and talked a bit, and then Doug and I decided we're going to head up to Marmora, go to Timmy's, have a coffee, hang out for a bit there. So here we are going north on the, I don't know if it's called the Heritage Trail or not, but anyways, the rail trail going up by Marmora Mine, and then we go into town. This trail here was pretty sloppy, and I'm a little worried about this hill up here. Hopefully we can make it up. I don't think it'll be a problem. We'll find out here in a second. A little soft there on the right. Just a bit enough gravel there to grab some grip and keep climbing that hill. That hill doesn't look as steep as it does, or is, on the video, but it's a good enough size hill. Then we have a smaller hill up here. Oh, somebody got stuck. I not stuck, I just couldn't get back up on the trail because there's a bit of an edge there to the side of the trail, like a trench. So just back up until I can get back onto the trail and I can go forward. Well, that was a good ride. First time out in a long time, weeks and weeks and weeks. So it's good to get out and finally get on the trails. We weren't riding the trails because snowmobiles were using it, and you know what? They had a really good winter.
compared to the last. I don't know when's the last time they had were able to use the trails as much as they did this year. But now it's getting mild enough. Well, you saw on video the trails pretty much unusable for a snowmobile. But they're getting pretty. It's getting sloppy out there, and but it's okay. You can get out riding. Probably another week, and it'll be mostly all dirt and probably some soggy mud, but it'll be fun. And riding season is about to start. I took the side by side out, and it got really dirty. It was so nice and clean, but that's what it's for, right? I'll get out and spray it off, and one day this week and clean it up again, or else I'll just go out and get it more dirty, one or the other. So yeah, it was good to get out and get out for a ride. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon on another video. Take care.